Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to increase or decrease the size of the icons on your Galaxy A26, all versions. First, you'll go into the settings icon, then scroll down to the home screen option. And here you'll find three options where you can go in and choose the size of your icons. Okay, so we only have these four sizes. You choose the size here. This would be the smallest icons, and here the largest icons. Or just wait a moment. I'll go into this option here in more detail. So here would be the smallest icons, and here the largest icons. When they're smaller, you can fit more icons on each page. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, I'm going to ask you for a favor too. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers here on the channel. I need to reach that number to be able to monetize this channel. If I helped you, please subscribe to help me out. Big hug to everyone and see you in the next video.